Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about useful website for graphic design and web templates. In this video, I will give you at least 5 websites that you can use for free web template for graphics PSD template and graphic design free PSD template without any stress. Let me show you how. So the number one on my list right here, so you come to your app browser right here and you come to this particular website, freepik.com. Freepik.com have a lot of different graphic resources and web graphic resources that you can use all for free. Now, for you to get access to some of their resources, go ahead and click on stock right here. Under the stock, you have different templates right here. So in this tutorial, we are interested in PSD. Go ahead and click on PSD right here. Okay, and then it's going to load up and take you right here. Then you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see different free PSD templates in this category right here. Then you can come here and search. So click on here and search for the type of whatever PSD template you are looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here and slide. This allows you to see more stuff that you can search for in this particular website right here. And you can also image search for a particular template you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for smoke in PSD template, hit enter, and then it's going to open up like so. So you can see the file format here is being defined as PSD template right here. So if you want to switch from PSD template to another format, you can see other formats right here. As for me, I'm choosing PSD template. Now we have all available resource for smoke in PSD template. So you can go ahead and check on any one of your choice right here. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in this bundle of smoke effect right here. Then click on it and come to the top right here. Click on here and make sure it is a PSD template right here. Go ahead and click on download, save, and everything is going to download. And these are all free PNG smoke effect right here. It's that simple. Let's take a look at the second website I have for you. If you come to your web browser and you come to this particular website right here, free-psd-templates.com, is going to take you to this particular official web page right here. Then you can come to flyer templates, business, Christmas, etc. There are a lot of templates right here. Let's say, for instance, I'm interested in flyer templates. I'll go ahead and be sure I click on any of the flyer. Let's say I need food flyer templates. Go ahead and click on food. So it's going to reload and show you all available free food flyer templates that you can easily download and use it for your business. Like, for instance, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one right here, and then you can see free cookie shop flyer template. So you can go down right here. You have the flyer right here, just like so. And for you to, you can read the detail about the flyer. It was created exclusive for our website. The template is fully layered and well organized and are free to download this PSD template and modify the way you wish. Make a successful choice. So the file format is 300 and DPI with CMK and easy to edit, well organized layer, etc. Then the fonts used here, and these are the 3 fonts they use. So you can as well download the fonts. So in case where you are trying to edit the flyer, it's not going to have, you're not going to have issue with the font. So for you to download the fonts, just go ahead and click on this link right here. Then it's going to take you to where you can download the font. Click on download right here. And then go ahead and click on download. Then let's go back to the search page. Then here we have another font right here, Love Strong. Right click on it, open link in new tab. Right click on the third one, open link in a new tab. We can easily come to the tab right here. Then click on download to download the second font. Then go ahead and click on save. And click on here again and download the third font. Then go ahead and click on save. And lastly, we'll come back to the templates website right here and go ahead and click on download right here. Download the PSD file templates. Okay, please sign in with Google accounts to have access to the download. Just so to use this PSD template, you need Adobe Photoshop. You can download Photoshop and use for 7 days for free. You don't have a Photoshop ready. Go ahead and click on login with Google. And go ahead and click on your Google account. Let's scroll down right here. Go ahead and make sure you continue. Just like so, and your download file is going to be prepared. You can see, thanks, the download link will be available at the count of this particular time right here. Successful, ready. So we can click on start download right here. So we have the flyer right here. Go ahead and hit on save, and the file is going to be successfully downloaded, just like what you see right here. So I have download all the fonts and the flyer in PSD file format. So this is the second website I have for you. Let's take a look at the third one. So the third one, if you come to your web address and then you go ahead and visit unsplash.com, it's going to take you to this particular official web page right here. And this particular site here is a comprised of mockup and flyer and different kind of templates as the case may be. So what we are interested here is templates. What we want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on templates. So in a few seconds, you're going to see all available different templates right here. So you can see the more you scroll down, the more you see all available templates right here. So if you are looking for a kind of template of whatever type of graphic, go ahead and click on it. Like for instance, free restaurant by food brochure templates in AI. So you can see the template right here. So this is a costume full template for brochure. Then we can go back. So this is another PSD template right here. Corporate brochure, free 3-fold flyer templates. You can see all the templates right here, fully layer and customized. Then you can go ahead and hit on download right here and successfully download it in Adobe Photoshop. The fourth one right here is this particular website. This particular website is www.psd.zone, and it's going to take you to the official webpage right here. Then here there are a lot of different templates right here, like flyers and different types of flyer you might think of as far as this particular website is concerned. So come to the print template right here. You can get brochure, business card, and card in file for social graphic templates and the web element as it's that simple. So the very last one right here is also known as freebie.com. This particular website here offers a lot of free different templates you might think of. Getting to the site, this site is going to open up. Let's say you want to do. So in this tutorial, we can get website templates right here. So for that, go ahead and click on website template, and it's going to load up and take you to this particular web page. Free PSD website template right here. So you can see all available free PSD website templates. You can click on here. This allows you to go to the next page. When you get to the next page, you see different homepage templates right here. You can go ahead and read detail about the template. So for instance, if you are interested in this one right here, which is no free PSD plus HTML portfolio template, go ahead and click on it. And this is a kind of cool template for portfolio. If you are a graphic designer, you can go ahead and use this template. For you to download, go ahead and click on download template, and you're going to have all the file and resource as far as this particular template is concerned. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about free graphic and web template resource like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.